Evaluate the indefinite integral, the integral of cosine of 7 theta plus 3 d theta. In this case, if we were to guess the answer, the antiderivative, perhaps it is f of theta equals the derivative of sine is cosine, so we would get that the antiderivative is sine. We can't never change the inside of another function, so 7 theta plus 3 stays. And perhaps this is off by a constant k, and don't forget a plus c. To check this, we differentiate f of theta, and we have k. The derivative of sine is cosine, and we keep the inside function, multiply the derivative of the inside function, which is 7. The derivative of c is 0. And so this is 7k cosine of 7 theta plus 3, which is almost the same as the integrand cosine of 7 theta plus 3. And so what is k? So that 7k is 1. K has to be 1 over 7. So the answer is 1 over 7 sine of 7 theta plus 3 plus c. But this is if we were to guess and then check. If we don't want to guess and check, then we use substitution. Let u be the inner function 7 theta plus 3, then du differential is 7 d theta. The derivative of 7 theta is 7 with respect to theta. The derivative of 3 is 0. And we're using differential, so we would need a d theta on the right hand side, or du over d theta equals 7. We then isolate d theta by itself. D theta is du over 7, or simply put, 1 over 7 times du. We then perform substitution. The integral sign stays. Cosine is a function, stays. But 7 theta plus 3 is now u. D theta is now 1 over 7 du. Simplifying this, we have 1 over 7 being a constant multiple. We bring it to the front of the integral sign. This is the integral of cosine of u du. But the integral of cosine is sine. We add a c for the indefinite integral. This is 1 over 7. U is 7 theta plus 3. We need to substitute 7 theta plus 3 into u plus c. And we see that we obtain the same answer as we were to guess it. Evaluate the integral of 3x squared times cosine of x cubed dx. Observe that the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. So this is a good candidate for u substitution. We let u be only x cubed because we see that the derivative of x cubed is 3x squared. If u is x cubed, then the differential du is 3x squared dx. And this 3x squared dx is du. With this, we rewrite this integral. The integral of 3x squared dx part is now du. And we always write d of the variable at the end of the integral sign. We're left with cosine of x cubed, but x cubed is u. So this is simply the integral of cosine of u. The integral of cosine of u, or the antiderivative of cosine of u, is positive sine of u plus c, because the derivative of sine of u is cosine of u. But there is no u in the given integral. U is x cubed. And so the answer is sine of x cubed plus c.